Have you, a friend or family member, been charged with a crime and you have no idea even how to begin to start looking for an attorney? Well, that's something that my clients experience very frequently. So watch this video and I'll tell you everything you need to know about how to find a criminal defense attorney in today's day and age. Hi, my name is Daniel M. Rosenberg. I'm a criminal defense attorney and the founding partner of Rosenberg, Perry & Associates. And as a criminal defense attorney, most of my clients expressed to me the frustration, the difficulty they had in locating us as their attorneys. They didn't know where to look, they didn't know who to trust, they didn't know what questions to ask. So today I want to jump in and provide some assistance on how to find a criminal defense attorney. So here are 5 things you should be doing and considering when trying to find a criminal defense attorney. The first thing you need to know is that you should be hiring a criminal defense attorney. I know that may sound funny, but oftentimes people get in trouble, they call a friend or family member and they say, "Oh, I know Uncle Bob, he's a tax attorney, he can help you." If you're dealing with a criminal defense matter, you really want someone who practices criminal law. If you have a minor traffic offense, Uncle Bob can certainly help you with that. But if you're charged with a DUI or something even more serious like a felony, you really want someone who practices that type of law. Second thing you need to consider is, what kind of case are we dealing with? Are we dealing with a felony? Are we dealing with a misdemeanor? Is it a DUI? Is it a traffic matter? Is it a restraining order? Each one of these offenses has different levels of involvement by the attorney and different strategies in defending it. You want someone who practices this type of law on a regular basis. For instance, if you're charged with a gun charge, that's a felony charge that exposes you to significant time in state prison. You may find a criminal defense attorney who handles DUIs and misdemeanors and rarely handles felonies. That's probably not going to be the best fit for a second-degree gun felon. The third thing to consider is what is the level of experience of the attorney in the law firm you're consulting with. If you're looking at a significant felony charge, you probably want someone who's got experience, significant experience in that area of the law. So part of your research is determining how long has this attorney been practicing law. Another thing you can consider is whether or not they've been certified by the Supreme Court of New Jersey as a criminal trial attorney. That certification is only given to 2% of the attorneys in the entire state. The fourth thing you need to know when you're looking for a criminal defense attorney is where to look. The first recommendation I have is, do you have a recommendation from a friend or family member or a trusted consultant? If you have a friend or family member who has had an experience with a criminal defense attorney and they had a good experience with that attorney, that's probably the first person that you should be talking to. And when you're considering that attorney, you should ask where they commonly practice and where they're located. If they're in the same county that you're charged, it's likely going to be a better fit. If they are 3 hours away, that may not be the best fit for your particular case. And in addition to friends and family members, trusted consultants are going to be very valuable. This may be a CPA, this may be an accountant, this may be another attorney that doesn't practice criminal law. All 3 of these individuals are likely going to be knowledgeable about people who do this type of work and have solid reputations. The next thing you can do is look online, and I would highly recommend that when you do look online that you look for attorneys who are in the area in which you're charged. I would also encourage you to be looking at online reviews. They are not the end-all be-all, but it's certainly something to consider when you're making your decision. Another place to look is the county in which you're charged. Contact the local bar association. If you're charged in Burlington County, I would contact the Burlington County Bar Association because they're going to be able to provide you with referrals for local attorneys. So the last thing that I want you to consider when you're looking for a criminal defense attorney is, once you found that phone number, once you got that contact, when you reach out to that attorney, what are your interactions like with the firm and the attorney? Were you treated with respect? Did they return your phone calls? Were you able to actually speak to an attorney? When you spoke to that attorney, did you feel like you had that attorney's complete attention? Were you rushed off the phone, or did they take the time they needed to assess the situation and provide you with guidance? These are the types of things that we try to accomplish with every one of our consultations. And if you're not getting that level of confidence with the attorney that you're talking to, it's something that you should factor in when making your decision. So if you, a friend or family member, has been charged, we can certainly help. Contact our office. If you're in our county or in the counties that we work, we're certainly willing to help you. We'll take the time we need to assess your case and to provide you with appropriate guidance so you can make the best decision for you and your specific circumstances. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if there's any topics you'd like to learn more about, please leave a comment below or contact our office. I'd love to hear about it. We are criminal trial attorneys. We have your back. That's what we do.